Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase connects on Upwork using your available earnings balance instead of external payment methods. Connects are essential tokens on Upwork that allow you to submit proposals for jobs, and buying them with your existing earnings is a smart way to reinvest in your freelancing career without dipping into your personal funds. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your Upwork account and make sure you have an available balance from your completed projects. Navigate to your profile dashboard, where you can clearly see your current Connect balance displayed prominently. To begin the actual purchase process, carefully locate and click on the option labeled Purchase Connects, which is typically found in your account menu or specifically in the Connect Management section of the platform. Once you arrive on the dedicated purchase screen, you'll notice several Connect packages available at different quantity levels. Upwork generally prices these connects at approximately 10 connects for $1.50, though prices may vary slightly depending on your region and any current promotions. Thoughtfully select the number of connects you want to buy, based on both your immediate needs and the amount of available balance currently in your account. If you happen to have any promotional codes or special discounts available, this is the perfect time to apply them before moving forward with your actual purchase. Before finalizing your purchase, thoroughly review the complete order summary, which will clearly show your selected Connect quantity, the precise total cost, any applicable taxes or fees, and your chosen payment method. The system will automatically default to using your available Upwork balance if you have sufficient funds to cover the entire purchase amount. If your balance happens to be insufficient for the desired Connect package, you'll need to add a credit card or select another payment method to complete the transaction successfully. After carefully confirming that all details are completely correct, click the Buy Now or Purchase button to officially complete your transaction. The new connects will be instantly added to your account balance, and you can immediately verify this by checking your updated Connect count displayed in your profile dashboard. These newly purchased connects can now be used right away to submit competitive proposals for new projects and opportunities on the Upwork platform. It's important to remember that connects purchased with your earnings balance follow the exact same rules as those bought with other payment methods. They typically expire after 1 year, so be sure to use them strategically within that time frame. This method provides an incredibly convenient way to invest in your freelancing business growth without needing to use external payment methods, allowing you to strategically utilize funds you've already earned through your successful Upwork project.